Regulators shut down Silicon Valley Bank in California today in what is known as the second largest bank failure in history. Now, this bank had $175 billion in deposits. So, what happens if you actually had a mortgage that was being held by a company and they fail? Because it might be a little bit different than what you think. Now, first off, I want to go through this. Let's talk about what happens if you were to have a mortgage with a bank and they fail. So, first off, that mortgage still exists. I know some people are thinking, well, maybe it doesn't exist anymore because the bank failed. No, the mortgage still exists. Now, don't worry, the note itself, the mortgage itself won't necessarily be called due. You still have to make sure that you make your payments. Now, the bank that you're making payments to, they might not necessarily own the loan. Sometimes owning the loan and servicing can be two separate things. A lot of times they'll sell off ownership of the loan and that bank might just be servicing the loan and they get paid a fee every year for servicing the loan. So what's going to happen is over time, regulators will sell off all of the assets of the bank, okay? So that also includes if they do own the loan or as well as servicing. Those will be sold off to somebody else. So another bank will come in, they'll take over, and they'll start collecting the payments. Now, your payment's going to stay the same. All the terms, everything else will stay the same. It's just going to be somebody else that you're making your payment to. Now, you've got to watch out for scammers with this, okay? So there can be some scammers that are either sending letters to you or calling you saying they are the new servicer. The scammers will not know what your current balance is. So make sure you look at your most recent statement and see what the balance is on there, because anything that's transferred over to the new servicer, they'll know what the new balance is, but the scammers won't. They'll have to make it up. And you want to make sure that if you're going to start sending your payments to a new company, you're going to want to make sure that you send it out to the new company. Now, chances are they'll probably do some sort of press release of whoever buys the mortgage loan so that you'll have some way of cross-referencing to make sure that you're sending your payment to the right company. Anyways, guys, crazy day today. Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like and subscribe here, and we want to make sure to get the word out so those people that have mortgages with this bank, they know what to do. And in the event that something like this happens in the future, others know what to do as well. So thanks so much. We'll see you later.